All right, guys, get ready. I'm gonna be riding bitch here. Check out his motorcycle. Check out his motorcycle. You ready? Here, this is what we're taking, right? Yeah, right. I ain't taking that. Imagine that, no seat. Here he is. Here's my man's bike. I am riding. I hope you have foot pegs for me. You got foot pegs? No foot pegs. Oh man, I'm really riding hard here. All right. Let me see. Hang on. Let me. You got the weight, right? All right. Here we go. Here we go. All right. Here we go. All right. Hey, my man. Oh, I got a cramp in my leg. Yeah, I am riding, bitch. God. You heard that song, Smoke on the Water, right? Smoke on the water. Well, guys, we are dead on the water. What do I mean? Old Mad Max is dead in the water. I rode it up here to Tequila Reef and ran fine. Turned the key to go on it and it's dead in the water. I'm blaming him right there. Blaming him. All right. Anyways, that gives me something to do. It gives me somewhere to walk to. It's your fault. It's your fault, right? My motorcycle won't start. It's your fault. Joe. All right. Let the walk begin. Decided which road I want to walk down. Figured I'd take a walk down. Let me show you where we're at here. There's your Swiss Chalet directly in front of us. We're just gonna walk down this road. I haven't walked down this road in a little bit. Let's see if anything has changed. Pacific breeze is open for your sleeping pleasure, your sleeping place to spend your days and nights here in the city. They're open, right? Pacific Breeze open, right? Yeah. Both sides? Both buildings? No. Just this one only. All right, cool. Yeah, thank you. I think I remember them reopening. Pacific Breeze, another nice one. Another nice one to stay at. Along with Scorebirds here on the left-hand side. Scorebirds still does have their monthly swimming competition, or swimsuit competition. So yeah, every third Sunday we'll read the sign here. We shall read the sign right here. Swimsuit competition and cultural show every third Sunday of the month, 2 p.m. to 6 p.m. So yes, hello. Here's a beauty spa massage parlor, right? Massage. China.
Yes, sir. Right out to Jollibee.
Welcome to Jollibee.
And then take massage later.
Say what?
Love first and then take massage later.
Oh, okay. Thank you, ladies. So yes, Scorebirds. They have a really nice pool in there also. From my understanding, you can go in there and spend the day in there and use their pool. They might charge you a fee, but from my understanding, you can. Correct me if I'm wrong. Guys, this is another street at night. I will recommend that you do not walk it. Just wouldn't. It's up to you. Take the chance. But then when I read about you getting robbed. Good morning. Nice tattoos. Nice tattoos, man. I like it, huh? So yeah, when you do get, when I do hear about you getting, robbed, good morning, and taken for your money, I'll say I told you so. This is the back end of morning. This is the back end of Fields Plaza Hotel. That's the back end, back entrance. So if you want to sneak in the back entrance, there it is. I was just thinking also, when you do have issues here with motorcycles and cars not starting, they have AAA here. Is there somebody you can call? Hey, come jump me, come tow away my bike, come pick it up, come get my car. If they do exist here, I don't know anything about it. You know, back in the States, you can always, hey, all right. You can always contact AAA and say, hey, come jump me or whatever. You know what I'm talking about. But does it exist here? The only tow trucks I always see are tow trucks from, say, the barangay. Or not barangay, your LTO. That's the only ones I've ever seen. We are going to, thank God I got somebody that I can rely on here in the city when I have issues with my motorbike. Somebody that is a good, trusted, quality mechanic, because they're hard to find. Everybody works on everything. Everybody fixes everything, right? But to find the right person, it can be challenging. Oh,
Rino Street, magkano?
That is a one horsepower jeepney. See that? 1 horsepower. Figured I'd share that with you. Let me get across here quick. Sullivan's Irish Pub on the left-hand side. Irish Pub. Got a skeleton in there. Got a skeleton up there too, huh? Alright, so I am almost at my place. Place is called Top Gear. I've done a video on it before. There's MacArthur Highway right here. Going that way takes you to Center City, Angeles City. Going the other way takes you into Daewoo. Here's your casino. Here's your 7-Eleven. He is back here on the left-hand side. Top Gear. The Flamingo Hotel is down here. But this guy, I highly recommend this guy. If you got a N Max Yamaha, this guy does excellent work with Yamaha. Right, guys, get ready. I'm going to be riding bitch here. Check out his motorcycle. Check out his motorcycle. You ready? Here. This is what we're taking, right? Yeah, right. I ain't taking that. Imagine that. No seat. Here he is. Here's my man's bike. I am riding. I hope you have foot pegs for me. You got foot pegs? No foot pegs. Oh, man. I'm really riding hard here. All right. Let me see. Hang on. You got the weight, right? All right. Here we go. All right. Here we go. All right. Hey, my man. Boy, I got a cramp in my leg. Yeah, I am riding, bitch. All right. We arrived in one piece. Yeah. He's pulling the battery right now. We're thinking battery. Like, I won't ride this bike for weeks at a time, but it's always started. And I guess today's my lucky day where today's the day it finally took a crap on me. That's the original battery. I never replaced that battery. That's originally from the factory and everything. So 2019, 4 years for a battery. That's pretty good though, isn't it? 4 years for a battery?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Pretty good.
So I'm happy it got me 4 years.
It's a long time.
It's a long time, yeah.
Okay.
Didn't know the battery was under there. I do now. So with his magic touch, we'll get it going. Oh my God! Oh my. Now we're going to the shop so we can put a good battery in there and get this thing. That was it. Battery. Fire right up. All right.
Battery problem.
Over to the shop we go. Thank you, my man. All right. Made it back to the shop. Like I said, these guys, I recommend them highly. I know I've had people come down here off of my recommendation. New battery, 19, straight 19. He's giving it to me. I'll put the conversion down below. This is another Yamaha. So yes, you're going to pay for the brand name, but here I learned you go with these off brands and stuff, you'll have problems down the road. Like I said, 4 years on a Yamaha battery from the factory, that's pretty damn good. So I don't mind spending the 19. And where else can you get a mechanic? I'm sure if you have connections, you get guys to come out and check it out and diagnose the problem. Thank God it was only the battery, and that's what I was thinking the whole time. So anyways, here he is. He's installing the new battery, and once it's installed, I gotta head up the ATM machine so I can pay the man. So what a fun-filled morning. Never a dull moment, right? You never know what you're going to run into. You always wake up and expect the unexpected, right? That's just the way it rolls here in the Philippines. You deal with the unexpected and go from there. So thank God it wasn't an all-day event, which it can be. So all right, guys, we'll talk to you later.